ask a question. I need it.
So we're out here at Noodles for Embarrassing Jack 101. We just finished the second day of finals. Did they go well, buddy? What finals did you have?
Geos.
The Geos. And they went well. Jack and Sara out. So I paid for Neighbor Dustin Sweets with my grocery funds because I'm home for a month. But Mom didn't get anything because they didn't have the candy she wanted. You don't get to redeem that in a later date. This is a one-time only type of deal. Oh, maybe we'll go to Kilwins. Maybe that'll happen. Oh yeah, they probably would. Hey, Dave.
Okay, I chose lunch.
David. One more to come. Hey, Jack, what'd I get you at Neighbor Dustin Sweets?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans. Dad wanted milk balls too, and they didn't have them.
Yeah. What?
Oh my god, it's so Christmassy in here. I've never been in this one. Pose for us again? I'm making cookies. I'm making cookies. I'm making cookies. I'm making cookies. Mom's favorite. And then I'm also gonna make some without the peanut butter and use different kinds of kisses than like the normal ones. So okay, so I'm making peanut butter kiss cookies because they're my mom's favorite. They require peanut butter, sugar, eggs, using stand mixer. Stand mixer, peanut butter, sugar, eggs. Woohoo, let's go. We're making some celery juice. This mixture is much nicer than the pure celery. Can't wait to drink that tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna have some of this now. Hello, so I'm finally in good lighting because our house is like super messy and the lighting just wasn't great. I'm picking up my brother from school, so he's gonna be super embarrassed when he gets in the car and sees that I'm filming. And I don't know where he is because I thought he was walking out, so I'm gonna have to call him again. But basically I had acupuncture this morning and I drank a cup of coffee and just like chatted with my mom, and now I'm picking up my brother from school because he had his last day, and so school ended at 11:15. And then my mom is going to get my sister from school, so we'll get to see her tonight. And yeah. Oh, I'm also listening to Gals on the Go and obviously watched some Vanderpump Rules while I was drinking my coffee. Here he is.
Hey.
Hey. How was school?
Good.
Good. Ooh, I'm also wearing this really cute Christmas sweater. I don't know if you can see it, but my mom made it. And it has all of the Toy Story figures on it. And it's like, here's like Woody and Jessie, and it's in the shape of a Christmas tree. And I'm obsessed with it. So she didn't like make the design. She like bought, good God. But she like bought the design, but it's just like super cute because they went to Disney. I'll insert a picture here without me. And so I was like really upset about that because I had to go back to school. Or maybe I was in finals, I don't know, but I was in college and everybody else was in like high school or junior high, so they could skip. And so they all had like matching sweatshirts, and they got all of this really cute like Christmas Disney stuff that now I just have to like perpetually borrow from different people's closets because I didn't get any, but I love wearing them. So that is the outfit of the day. flavors. This one's the red velvet one, but I don't have cocoa, so it's gonna be interesting. But this is butter, brown sugar, and sugar. And I'll show you the next step. All right, so I'm currently filming another video, but RIP to my manicure, one of the nails chipped, and so I picked it all off because I'm terrible to my nails, but it was really old. Like I got it a few weeks ago, so I think I'm gonna go get them done tomorrow and treat myself. So Jack and I are out shopping. It's been kind of a boring day. It's kind of been boring, but I finally left the house today and we went to Target and DSW and returned. Megan it was kind of comical. We should have filmed it, but I kind of forgot. I was vlogging. And so now we're going to get carry out. We're gonna get Chick-fil-A and I'm really excited because our Chick-fil-A is like on another, that's close to Michigan, is like on another campus. And so that's awkward and we don't get it there. So yeah, we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A for dinner and yay.
Video?
Yep.
That's cool.
You excited about the Chick-fil-A?
I am excited to eat some Chick-fil-A.
You gonna look at the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just paying attention to the road.